Hey everyone! Want to make some extra cash just by watching viral videos? You're in the right place. I'm your host, Jason Miller, and today, we're diving deep into 5 incredible websites that will pay you to watch entertaining content. That's right! You can finally get paid for all those hours you spend scrolling through your YouTube feed. We're talking cold hard cash just for watching videos, taking surveys, and completing simple tasks. No, seriously, I'm not joking. We're going to break down each website, show you exactly how they work, and give you all the tips and tricks to maximize your earnings. So buckle up, grab your snacks, and let's get this money. First up, we have Swagbucks. This platform is a legend in the game, and for good reason. Swagbucks lets you earn points, called Swagbucks, for watching videos, completing surveys, and even shopping online. And the best part? You can redeem those Swagbucks for gift cards to your favorite stores like Amazon, Target, and Walmart, or you can cash out straight to your PayPal account. It's like getting paid to watch your favorite YouTubers. Now let's dive into the Swagbucks website and I'll show you step by step how to sign up, start earning points, and cash out like a boss. Next we have InboxDollars, another awesome platform that pays you to watch videos. But hold on, there's more. InboxDollars also rewards you for reading emails, taking surveys, and completing other easy tasks. They have a super low payout threshold, so you can start cashing out with as little as $5 in your account. That's right, you can literally start making money within minutes of signing up. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process of creating an InboxDollars account, finding the highest paying videos, and cashing out your earnings. Chapter 3. My Points. Turn videos into gift cards. Now let's talk about My Points. This platform is all about rewarding you for doing the things you already do online, like watching videos, shopping, and taking surveys. With My Points, you earn points that you can redeem for gift cards to over 75 popular retailers, including Amazon, Visa, and more. They even offer a $10 bonus just for signing up. I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the My Points platform, find the best video playlists, and rack up those points like a pro. Chapter 4. Prize Rebel, earn rewards while you watch. Up next we have Prize Rebel, a platform that lets you earn points by watching videos, completing offers, and taking surveys. You can then redeem those points for a huge variety of rewards, including gift cards, PayPal cash, and even direct bank deposits. Prize Rebel has a super user-friendly interface and a massive selection of videos to choose from, so you're sure to find something you enjoy watching. Let's jump into the Prize Rebel website and I'll show you how to get started, maximize your earnings, and redeem your rewards. Chapter 5. Perk TV. Watch and earn on autopilot. Last but not least, we have Perk TV, a fantastic platform that lets you earn points by watching videos on your phone, tablet, or computer. Perk TV has a unique feature that lets you earn points passively by running videos in the background. That's right, you can literally be earning money while you sleep. I'm going to show you how to download the Perk TV app, set up your account, and start earning passive income by watching videos on autopilot. Outrow start earning today, so there you have it. 5 awesome ways to make money online just by watching viral videos. Give them a try and let us know which one works best for you in the comments below. Remember, every little bit counts and these platforms offer a fun and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online.